My name is Delano Lewis and I teach ecology at Burman University. Today we're having an aquatic ecology lab for my ecology class, and we're going to do several tests. We're going to look for minnows, we're going to test for phosphorus, pH, temperature, dissolved oxygen at different levels. We're going to look at benthic invertebrates using an Ekman sampler, and we're going to look for phytoplankton and zooplankton using a phytoplankton net. We hope to be having some fun today. We have them all over. Alright, so these are crustaceans.